Good morning children, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen about the depletion of water table. There's a lots of things that are responsible for the water table and hence we need the water management at a very high risk or very high demand. Okay, so water management is preventing wastage of water, using water carefully and recharging the groundwater again. So it can be done by following, that is repairing the leaking pipes and the taps, not wasting water during the brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing clothes and during other activities. Rainwater harvesting must be done. Then there is a drip irrigation of plants. You can see the drip irrigation photos given over there. It is a method of watering plants using narrow pipes through which water drips into the base of the plants. Okay, you can see here the annual rainfall in India. The map is given. Okay, there are very few states which have a high rainfall. We come under the high rainfall region, that is above 400. Okay, and there are some areas also where there is very scanty rainfall, that is the Rajasthan part, the Jammu Kashmir part. Okay, you can see the color variation. The dark part is of high rainfall and the light color is denoted for the low rainfall. Okay, so in order to save the water, there are also the measures given over here, that is the Bowries are also used today. There was a time when people forgot the importance of Bowries. Bowries is a small vessel used for the collection of water, drip irrigation. Then we can also play an important role in saving of water. We should turn off the taps. We should mop the floor instead of washing. Then we should use bucket instead of bathtub or shower for the bathing purpose. Next we can have the rainwater harvesting, that is the water is collected on the rooftop. See here, the rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected from the roof of the buildings and stored in the tanks after filtration. Another way is of ways of collecting water. You can the projects going on in the Vidarbhas, that is Jalashivar. Yes, collecting of water by digging the places, are digging the wells. Okay, so that is one part of saving water. Next also the grassy patches and other vegetation. Where there is a vegetation, where there are trees, where there are plants, they hold, the roots of the trees and the plants hold the water and help them to conserve it. So the vegetations helps in infiltration, correct? They seep the water inside the soil. And we can also make the infiltration pits, that is it soaks water and direct it to the underground to recharge groundwater. See, the pit is filled with the gravels and there's the water is seeping into it and it ultimately goes into the groundwater level. Okay, so lastly I would conclude that save water and save life. Use water efficiently and that will save your life, and also your next generation will get a better life with the water. Okay, thank you children.